Welcome to the enchanting world of bromeliads, a family of plants that include some of the most striking and unique species on Earth. The Nidularium is a captivating tropical bromeliad admired for its rosette formation and brilliantly colorful bracts. Native to the lush rainforests of Brazil, this plant thrives in warm, humid environments that mimic its natural habitat. Today, Nidulariums are popular both as indoor ornamental plants and in landscape tropical gardens. Their unique appeal lies in their ability to uplift any space with minimal maintenance when provided with the right conditions. This plant forms a rosette, so it is not very tall. The leaves emerge from a single point, meaning the plant does not have a distinct stem. In the center of the leaves, there is a hollow section resembling a bird's nest. The plant absorbs water and nutrients through this part, which is usually filled with some water. The genus Nidularium includes many species, about 12 of which are commonly used as ornamental plants. Nidularium blooms in the fall, producing small tubular flowers in shades of white, blue, yellow and purple, arranged in a structure called an inflorescence. While the flowers are small, the beauty of this plant does not come from its blooms, but rather from its evergreen leaves and vibrant bracts, which contribute to its overall attractiveness. Nidularium plants flourish in warm settings. They prefer a steady temperature range of about 16 degrees C to 29 degrees Celsius. While they can handle slight fluctuations, exposure to cold drafts or frost can cause damage, particularly to the delicate leaves and the center cup. This plant should not be exposed to temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius. Maintaining consistent warmth not only supports vigorous growth, but also promotes the development of the plant's vibrant bracts. Although Nidulariums require good light to develop healthily, they are sensitive to intense, direct sunlight. They thrive best in bright, indirect light, a reflection of the filtered sunlight found beneath tropical forest canopies. For indoor care, a place near a north or east-facing window is ideal, and for outdoor plantings, situating the Nidularium in partial shade or areas with dappled sunlight helps prevent leaf scorching and maintains color integrity. High humidity is central to the well-being of the Nidularium. These tropical plants prefer an environment where humidity levels are around 50% to 70%. Adequate moisture in the air supports the plant's water needs, especially since the central cup of the plant acts as a reservoir. In indoor environments or drier climates, you can augment humidity by misting the plant, using a humidity tray, or even placing a small humidifier nearby to replicate its native tropical conditions. Proper watering is essential for Nidularium care. These plants do not demand excessive moisture, rather they require a balanced watering routine. A good rule of thumb is to water thoroughly when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. Make sure that the pot has excellent drainage to prevent water from stagnating around the roots. Additionally, regularly empty and refresh the water held in the central cup to avoid stagnation, which could otherwise lead to rot or fungal issues. Nidulariums need a soil mix that combines moisture retention with superb drainage. A well-balanced, well-draining substrate, such as a mix of orchid bark, peat moss, and perlite, is ideal. This type of blend mimics the organic, airy forest floor where these bromeliads naturally occur. Good drainage is crucial to prevent conditions that might lead to overwatering-related issues like root rot, while the organic matter in the mix helps provide necessary nutrients. Nidularium is adapted to thrive in low-nutrient, well-draining conditions typical of tropical forest floors. Because of this, they are not heavy feeders. Over-fertilization can lead to salt buildup and damage to the delicate leaf tissue, so a conservative approach is best. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with an equal ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, such as a 20-20-20 formulation, is ideal. Organic fertilizers like diluted compost tea or fish emulsion are also excellent options as they release nutrients slowly and gently, aligning well with the plant's needs. Feed your Nidularium about once a month during the active growing period, typically spring and summer. This is when the plant can use the extra nutrients to support growth and the production of its colourful bracts. During fall and winter, reduce or skip fertilization. In these cooler months, the plant's growth slows down and minimal supplementary nutrients are required. Propagation of Nidularium primarily occurs via its natural offsets, commonly referred to as pups. These are small plantlets that form at the base of the mature plant. Once the pups have developed to a sufficient size, they can be carefully separated from the parent plant and potted individually in the same well-draining mixture. Although seed propagation is possible, using pups is generally more efficient and yields faster, more reliable results in replicating a healthy, mature Nidularium. Despite its robust nature, the Nidularium can fall prey to a few common issues if its needs aren't met precisely. Overwatering or stagnant moisture can lead to fungal and bacterial infections that can damage the leaves and roots. To solve this problem, you need to ensure proper drainage and a balanced watering schedule. Root rot is typically a consequence of overly wet conditions where excess moisture creates an environment conducive to soil-borne pathogens. Insects such as scale and mealybugs can attack the plant. Regular inspection and the use of organic insecticides or natural remedies like neem oil can help control these infestations. Symptoms such as discolored, wilted or malformed leaves may signal nutrient deficiencies, inadequate light or environmental stresses. Addressing these issues promptly by adjusting care routines is essential to prevent further damage. By keeping these factors in mind and tailoring the care routine to simulate its tropical origins, gardeners can enjoy a healthy, vibrant Nidularium that enhances any space.